puzzle together. Once that puzzle gets together, and it's correct, it has to be correct. Okay. We are. Oh, you want to be the judge? All right. Once you put that puzzle together, then you're going to do a mad dash through the rock, up to the pool. I'm here. I'm her teammate today. I'm diving in. I'm getting the bag. I'm getting the bag. I run. My teammate is with the blindfold here. Spin my teammate around. Now I say, okay, walk forward. Don't let him trip on anything. Walk forward. Keep walking. Walking. Go to your right a little, Lori. Pointing down forward. Doing great. Drop down. Going for a run. Turn to the left. To the left. Keep going. To the left. All right. Hold on. Pick that up. Okay, that was for a run. When she takes that blindfold off and hauls out to the edge, she does a mad dash, and I don't care. Where's the end? Where's the end?
You're going to have to hold the hand.
Where's the skipper?
The puzzle maker, the mud digger.
Because there's two of them. And then there's one.
You don't think a rock up with black is still out?
Yes.
Randy! Randy! You're so tall.
You're going back to the table.
You run back to the table.
Okay?
Kristen, you have to stay on the path.
Okay.
To the people
All right.
on the path. You get off the
Listen
path.
to this right now. Once you get the rock, that blindfold comes off.
Hey.
Okay?
Yeah.
All
Because
I
I
want
ran
you to do
so
is
far
get
away.
to that table.
Okay.
I don't care how, but let's be smart. There's tripping hazards. If you go smack through this little desert area and trip and fall and get mad, I'm going to get mad. It's probably not the best route to go. Get both of them to the table. And the end. Here's it with the rock. Red rock and the bag. And the bag to the table. Okay, how do we get our money bag?
The money bag you keep for a later time. But
Money bag you keep.
after
Okay.
we get to the table, is that when you hand us something else when we leave the area?
Yes.
Okay, after we turn in our rock.
Oh my God, I'm going to fly.
I'm going to bar.
When you turn in your rock, who's on first? That's when you get your next clue sheet, and you're gonna take off. Okay. Now this whole obstacle course, the way that we're doing the points, it's 100 points for the first person that gets back. 75, 50, 25, 15. Okay, so that's how this is going to be scored. You're not getting scored on each individual task. It's the overall. Yes, I am. I will. Okay, so, I need the first person that's going to start out to go down there at the very end. All right, you guys, good luck, everybody.
I'm not just going to do mine, but